Good morning, guys. Yeah, I just woke up. I need to take a shower, but I made something new for breakfast. So I made a blueberry smoothie. I've been having toast and French toast. I don't really eat eggs. Cereal, oatmeal. I was just sick of all the same old things. And my mom reminded me I really do like shakes, so I made a shake. So it's frozen blueberries. I have drinkable yogurt called kefir. It has more probiotics in there and healthy things. And I topped it off with half a cup of granola that will get with pumpkin seeds and flax seeds, so it will get all soft by the time I'm down at the bottom. And the blueberries were frozen, and so I didn't need ice. And these are all the flowers besides the chives that I bought for our deck planters. So I'll be doing that soon. So this is one of them. Right, so that's boring. This one I love. So this is called Goldilocks. And we have some of this at school by the flocks. And it will grow like hair. I think I've mentioned that in like 3 of my videos. And this is called, this little guy is called Dianthus. It's a woman, I should say. It's a Dianthus. And they're drought resistant. And they end up looking like mini carnations. They're kind of pretty. So anyhow, yeah, so this week I will be gardening. Here's one of my tomato plants. So I did buy seeds. I bought a lot of seeds this year, but we just had such a long, cold spring. And now it's going to be 80 degrees all of a sudden. So I'm a little worried about my seed planting. So we'll see what happens. I'm still going to try some of them. And I have really naughty squirrels. So I don't know how that's going to work. Anyhow. I will talk to you soon, alright? Gonna go shower, get ready for our chats. 6th grade at 10, 8th grade at 11. I keep trying to say 12th grade. You're not in 12th grade. You are graduating, but 8th grade. Alright, so I will see you guys later, I hope. Oh, and I have something super cool to show you. And I don't know if you can do exactly what I do, but we can try to find something that's similar. I know I have some teachers on it, alright? So talk to you later. It's super cool. You gotta come. All right. Bye.